Today, we're diving into a recent issue that shook the tech world, Microsoft's BSOD crisis. Welcome back to the Clean Router channel. With 15 years of protecting families online, here at Clean Technology, we love keeping families safe online. Make sure you check us out at cleanrouter.com. Let's get started. Microsoft recently faced a significant challenge with a widespread BSOD, blue screen of death issue. This problem affected around 85 million Windows devices, causing major disruptions for users and IT admins alike. The root of the problem was tied to a compatibility issue with CrowdStrike, a well-known security tool. As users scrambled for solutions, Microsoft quickly released a recovery tool to address the issue. This incident highlights the importance of having reliable protection and recovery options in place. Clean Router steps in here as a vital part of a family's online defense system, providing seamless protection without such disruptions. The BSOD issue underscored a critical point. Even the most trusted systems can encounter unexpected problems. For families relying on technology for work, education, and entertainment, such disruptions can be more than just an inconvenience. They can be a major hurdle. Clean Router, with its robust filtering and monitoring capabilities, ensures that your family's online experience remains smooth and secure. Our technology adapts to challenges, providing continuous protection without compromising performance. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that Clean Router is safeguarding your digital environment. This reliability is why so many families have trusted us for over 15 years. Microsoft's quick response to the BSOD crisis involved deploying a dedicated recovery tool. This tool was essential in helping admins restore affected systems and get users back online. However, this situation also raises questions about preparedness and prevention. At Clean Router, we believe in proactive protection. Our system is designed to prevent issues before they arise, ensuring that your family stays connected and secure. Our filtering technology blocks harmful content and potential threats, reducing the risk of encountering such critical failures. By partnering with Clean Router, you're investing in a solution that prioritizes safety and stability. As we reflect on the lessons from the BSOD incident, it's clear that having a multi-layered security approach is essential. Clean Router complements tools like CrowdStrike by adding an extra layer of family-focused protection. While CrowdStrike addresses advanced threats, Clean Router handles everyday online risks, from inappropriate content to phishing attempts. This dual approach ensures comprehensive coverage, making your family's online experience safer and more reliable. With Clean Router, you're not just getting a product, you're gaining a trusted partner dedicated to your family's digital well-being. The importance of digital safety cannot be overstated, especially in today's interconnected world. The BSOD crisis serves as a reminder that even the biggest tech giants are not immune to issues. That's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below.
Do you know what your kids are looking at on the internet? Now you can with the Clean Router. Clean Router is the ultimate parental controls. The Clean Router allows parents to easily manage all devices in your home and stop internet pornography. It controls everything connected to your home Wi-Fi. The time restriction tool makes it easy to set when they are allowed to have internet access. Let the Clean Router help you enforce bedtimes, homework sessions, and quiet hours. Manage your kids' internet from anywhere on the go with parental controls on your phone. The Clean Router is simple to install and easy to use. The 7-layer IntelliFilters keep your kids safe. It logs all the activities per device in an emailed report. Clean Router is the ultimate parental controls. Get yours at cleanrouter.com today.